Hi there, I got my box from Factor75. I've had this before, but I'm gonna try it again. Let me switch hands. Those are the paw prints from the little dog that I had for a few hours. Still bummed that I couldn't make it work. There we go. All right. So they're real good about offering keto type foods. I don't really do keto, but I like some of the types of food. Wow, this is still frozen solid. That's a block of ice. All right, first meal is home-style turkey and gravy. That's what it looks like in there. That's, oh, what do you call it? The potatoes with nuts and the turkey and green beans. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potato casserole. All right, next meal is keto chorizo chili. That looks good. It's got chili and cheese, a little probably ranch cup or some kind of dressing, and cheese, shredded cheese. This one is same thing, keto chorizo chili. I got 2 of those. Apricot mustard grilled chicken. That's probably good. The chicken and probably cauliflower mash is on one side, and that's green beans with butter. That looks like that's a keto type meal. This is probably to share with friends if anyone's interested in Factor. This one is smothered Creole pork chop. Man, that sounds good. Creole pork chop on one side, and that looks like it's like maybe cauliflower mash or grits on the side. I got 8 meals. This one is smoky maple barbecue ground beef. And that's the beef on one side. Looks like maybe, oh, looks like corn and green beans. These are real healthy meals. I don't eat too healthy. Herb cream cheese salmon. Yum. Salmon on one side, and looks like maybe cauliflower mash and broccoli or broccolini. All right, so we're gonna try those. First one I want to try is the chili. All right, see y'all later. I'm gonna get also Hungry Root comes this week, I think Friday. No, Hungry Root is on Saturday. And what's the other one? Oh, I can't remember the other thing I'm getting. Oh, Good Chop. I think they're basically the exact same thing as oh, they didn't have a Peruvian shrimp, so I only got 7 meals. They're refunding me back to my bank account for the Peruvian shrimp. Probably no shrimp due to Biden administration and the war. So we're missing a lot of our foods that we normally like to eat. So Good Chop, they seem to be the exact same thing as Butcher Box. Their meats are exactly the same. I'm only getting steaks in that package. 6 steaks, I think, or 8. All right, see y'all later.